Oppo Find N is set to launch on March 31, 2022. It comes in 3 colors, black, white, and purple. Oppo's expected price in USD is $1,639. The Oppo Find N is a foldable flagship smartphone from the company Oppo. Oppo is introducing the all-new Find N smartphone to the market. A Chinese manufacturer is developing a foldable smartphone as part of its new Find series. The newcomer, dubbed Oppo Find N, will be a flagship smartphone that will be released in December. The smartphone features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, which is the most powerful chipset available, as well as a 2.84 GHz octa-core processor within the Oppo Find N to make the gadget incredibly speedy. In addition, this smartphone is equipped with an Adreno 660 GPU. The smartphone's display screen is 8.0 inches and offers Full HD plus a resolution of 1792 x 1920 pixels to the user. The new Oppo Find NS have an AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display, which is the most up-to-date and well-known for its excellent performance. There is also Corning Gorilla Glass Vitus, which protects the glass screen. Oppo's impending new handset, the Find N, will come with a massive RAM capacity of 12 GB. The device's chipset and RAM size indicate that the user will be able to complete tasks with this smartphone in seconds. The Oppo N's internal storage space is 256/512 GB, which is sufficient for storing a large amount of data for future usage. There is a quad camera arrangement on the back of the phone. Oppo Find N 5G's main sensor will have 50 megapixels, 16 megapixels, and 13 megapixels. The phone's selfie camera is 32 megapixels, which makes capturing selfies easier and more attractive. The Oppo Find N 5G has an under-display optical fingerprint sensor that protects the data on the phone and only lets authorized users to access it. The smartphone will be powered by a non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh battery with fast charging capabilities of 33 Watt. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.